I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to create a chart right inside Figma. And the best part is, it's super easy to do even for complete beginners. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First thing you need to do is to open the Quick Action menu by holding your Ctrl+/. After that, search for the Sparkliner plugin. Once you open the plugin, you'll see all the data right away. You can tweak the width, margins, and the chart style, or even shuffle the data to get a new version. Let's go with this data for our chart. All right, now let's style our chart. First, duplicate the chart. Then double-click it and use the pen tool to connect the line. When you're finished, remove the stroke and add a gradient fill. Use this color on one side, and on the other side, use white color with 0 opacity. After that, place the duplicated line beneath the main one. And that's it. This is how our line chart looks now. We created it in just a few simple steps. Now you can use this technique in your own UI projects to make your data more visual and engaging. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!